Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, Sparkling Scents. It's Michelle here, your Scentsy gal, and I am going to dive into the scent and warmer of the month for February. So those of you that are newer to my channel, welcome. And those of you that, of course, have been here, thank you so much for sticking around. I did want to share that as a consultant, we do get a little perk of being able to purchase the warmer and scent of the month before the following month, yes, so that we can share the information with you. So this scent and warmer of the month, I was really excited about because it's the warmer has like a really cool theme and a shape. So we are going to be looking towards St. Patrick's Day. Okay, so let me just share with you those. Like I said, you can get a kit through Scentsy as a consultant, and you can get the scent of the month kit or the warmer and scent of the month kit. The only difference, obviously, with one or the other is either you have the warmer in it or you don't, but you get everything else in it. So what you do get is a stack of 50 brochures. And you also get our famous scent of the month stickers. As you can see, they're green. So staying with the theme of St. Patrick's Day. And then also we do get 7 of the wax bars. So this wax bar, if you did get the whiff box for the month of January, they actually gave us a wax bar in there that you can, you were able to smell the scent of the month that's coming. So it kind of was like a sneak peek of what the scent of the month was going to be for February. So we did get that. So we used to get 8 wax bars, but they decreased it down to 7 in the kit now. And the reason is, oh, and yes, it's a green wax. They added to the scent and warmer of the month kits a pod now. So now you are able to get a pod in the kits now. So they took away 1 bar to put the pod in, but I'm perfectly happy with that. I'm very excited about that because I think it's really great to get a pod set because, what to do with this is like I have so many places to put this between our air purifier, our Scentsy Go, and then we also our wall fan diffusers and also our newest tabletop fan diffusers that we can use this in. So I'm really excited that they did that because honestly, I really don't think we need that many bars in the kit myself, but that's just me personally. Um, you know, I would say, even if, let's say, 7 bars we have now, even if it dropped down to 6 bars and they were able to add like 2 scent circles in the kit or something like that, I wouldn't even mind that. And actually I wouldn't mind if they went down to 5 bars and added a a car bar in there also, 2 scent circles in a car bar or something. But anyway, that's just my thing. But so let me just dive in. Let me share with you about this. So that was just my little take on that. And I'm going to, and then we also have, sorry, I'm all over the place today, but we also have the warmer of the month, and I'm excited. So I did get the warmer of the month this time, and I will explain that. So with that being said, I'm going to show you at least a picture of the brochure. Now, I am going to show you the warmer, but just so you can see what the brochure looks like, because I really love our brochures and our marketing materials that we have, but obviously they don't do it justice unless you see it in person. But sometimes with the brochures, they do a really, really good job with the brochures though. So anyhow, so the warmer of the month is Lucky Leprechaun. The scent of the month is called Shamrock Splash. And I just love the whole theme of this. I think it's so exciting for me. I just like themed ones sometimes because it's just something a little different. So with that being said, let me share with you the scent of the month first, and then we're going to dive right into the warmer. So the scent of the month, which this is one of the sides of the brochure, and this is nice because it gives you the top notes, the base notes, and the mid notes in there, and then it'll give you a description, and then it has the pricing on because you get the discount. It's 10% off of the warmer of the month, and you also get the discount on, now there's going to be a discount for the month for the pod. So instead of $10, it's going to be $9. The wax bar is $5.40 instead of $6. And then you can also get a room spray for $7.20, and then you can, which is regularly $8. And then the Shamrock Splash Scent Circle is $3, but you can get it for $2.70. Okay, $2.70. So let me tell you what the scent smells like, or what it is. I really like it. So this is obviously, like I said, a green wax. And this does fall in the fruity category. Okay, so for all those fruity lovers out there that love the fruity scents, this one is definitely for you. But what Scentsy has to say about it is dive into a happy-go-lucky blend of juicy tangerine and red strawberry with a touch of jasmine blossom. That smells so good. So the top notes are going to be the juicy tangerine. Let me just open this up a little bit. So here you go. Your top notes are going to be juicy tangerine. Your mid notes are going to be the red strawberry, and then the base notes here is going to be the jasmine blossom. But I do smell the tangerine very well with this. Oh yeah, it does smell so good. I think I even may smell a hint of the strawberry, but the jasmine blossom, I don't really smell a lot of flowery scent from that. I honestly, it does just smell so fruity, but it kind of like a fresh fruity to me. So this is going to be nice. This is going to be very, very nice to warm. Um, so those are actually the notes. And like I said, if you like those scents within it, if I can show you that there, you're going to really enjoy this scent. And like I said, it's more of like a fresh scent, so I think it's going to be great. And then in the pods, so you get 2 pods per pack, okay? And they have scented beads in them. Can't see them obviously, but they do have scented beads in them, and these work so good with our diffusers. If you're not familiar with our wall fan diffusers or our Scentsy Go or the new tabletop based diffusers, obviously, and our air purifier, you can actually either check the website out, go to your consultant's website, or you definitely can look at mine, or if you have any questions, leave them down below and I'll answer them for you. But I really love our pods, because this is like a let's see, how do you say, like a no wax. If you didn't want to use wax, you have the pods that you can get your scent from. So some people, instead of having waxidants, especially for our on the go line that we have for the car, I use a lot of the pods in my camper. So when we go camping, I like to use these instead of bringing wax and worrying about that spilling and stuff like that, So these work great in the camper. This is such a great idea. And you can use your Scentsy Go too. Sometimes I'll even put the Scentsy Go, because it's rechargeable. You can put that outside on the table with your scent in it. Let some scent come out in just the little area that you're at. It's really nice. So anyhow, and a good scent for that in the pods is coconut lemongrass. So that's one I really like to use outside by the campsite, when the little bugs start flying around and stuff, because I think it kind of helps, the little lemongrass in that scent. So just a little tidbit there. So let's dive in now to the warmer. Let me just open the box. Oh, I'm so excited to see this. Now, the reason you all probably know I only usually just get the scent and warmer of the month. I mean, just the scent of the month. I don't usually get the warmer of the month because I usually know ahead of time what's coming out the following month. And if it's something that's not really what I want or not really too fond of it, I'm not going to purchase it. So I don't even bother. And that's okay to do, you know. Um, but anyhow, look at it. It's so cute. So the reason I decided to go ahead and get this warmer was because of the fact that it was a theme, you know, and and I love the fact that it has a different shape. Now, if you notice, a lot of Scentsy warmers are, you know, they're round or what have you, but sometimes, like if you can see, I have my pineapple. I love that's a totally different shape. The My other warmer up there. Oh goodness gracious, can't think of the name of it now off the top of my head. But that has like even though it's kind of like a roundish, but it has like a really different shape, ridges on the outside and stuff. So that's my thing. I really like a lot of the different shapes that the warmers come in. So this one, with it being themed for all the St. Patty's Day lovers out there, this one is definitely very cute to do like a little decorating if you have like a little area. Now, I'm not very big. I don't have a huge Valentine Day decor or the you know St. Patty's Day decor, but I would like to start setting up just maybe a few little things on my table just to kind of celebrate, you know, that during that month. So anyhow, back to the warmer. Sorry. So I get all excited. So this obviously comes with a toggle switch, okay, and the plug, just like most our warmers do. Now, and this one is not very big, as you can see. So look, you can put it on the top of my head. It's small, right? It's tiny, cute. I think it's like petite. So, and if you can see, like next to my head, the size of it, sort of. But so this is an element warmer, so there is not a dish. Obviously, it's already built in. The dish is where you're going to put your wax, and then this is the outside. It has that cute little clover there, and then this little belt buckle. I don't know what it's made out of, but it feels like probably like pleather, I guess you could call it. And on the back is the little light. So when you plug it in and you turn it on, this will light up to let you know that it's lit. Okay. So let me just see what the bottom is. I think this is on the bottom of all of our warmers. You can usually see how many wax cubes usually the dishes can take up to, and it'll give you the wattage of the warmer. So like for this one, it is a 9 watt, and for an element warmer, I think that's pretty good. So if you were going to utilize this though in a smaller space, that would be great because I think you'll get a really good scent throw from it. If you're going to put it in an open area, I wouldn't recommend just by itself, because if you have a big open floor plan, you're probably going to need another warmer or two out to get the scent out through the whole room, because it's, you know, with it being such an open floor plan. So this would definitely be cute for an office, a spare bedroom, you know, or like I said, in the open floor plan with maybe some other warmers. And then let me see if I can get a close up for you guys so you can see it. Isn't that adorable? Try not to drop it here. Let's go around real quick here so you can see the little buckle. Okay. And then also, what I think is just so adorable with this, if you can see how they did like the brim of the hat here, how it's kind of like angled around a little bit. I just think that makes it look so adorable. So I'm just so excited about this warmer. This is just so cute and so tiny and petite. I'm just really loving it. And then you do obviously have, let's see if I can show you, yep, the Scentsy logo right there. And then, yeah, so this one, I would say, I don't think it does say how many cubes on the back. And of course, when it's this black, it's hard for me to read. You know, it's just really hard to read. But anyway, what I would say, no, I would say you could probably fit up to 2 cubes, I'm thinking, because it looks very small in the dish, and that's just my thought process right away. I would probably only use one myself because I just like to use one in each of my probably because I have so many warmers throughout. So I put a cube in each, and then let them go that way. But I would start out with one first just to see, because when it melts, how high it's going to come up on there. So that's my recommendation definitely for this. Okay. And this is I just think it's so adorable. Oh my goodness. This would make such a cute gift for somebody that that's like really, really into St. Patty's Day. But yeah, so this is the warmer. And then let me just see if that was pretty much everything, right? Because I got the pods. Yes, that. So if you have any questions, leave them down below. I'd be more than happy to answer them. But if you are very excited to look and see about getting this warmer, go ahead and do so. It actually won't start obviously till February 1st. So it's through the whole month of February, or while supplies last, because I have a feeling this one, since it is themed, there are, a lot of people maybe don't like themed warmers because they're only going to use them once a year. But who says you have to use them once a year? If you want to keep something out all year, there's no rule that says, you can't do this or that. Just it's the same thing with Christmas. People think, oh, we got to get our tree down. I leave my tree up until February. My Christmas stuff, because I want to enjoy it for a few months. You know what I mean? There's no law against that, and I take pride in enjoying that, myself. So it just all depends on what you want, what you like, So and yes, this is themed, so you may want to just leave it out for the month of March or so, and that's fine too. I probably would leave it out for the whole month, to enjoy it, and then do like a Valentine's one for February and stuff. So, but anyhow, this is it. This is so exciting. Let me know if you already if you're a consultant and you already have gotten yours. Let me know what your thoughts are. I would love to hear, since you heard all about mine. That would be great. So, and if you're interested in definitely pre-ordering one, definitely let me know. I will have a pre-order link. I think I'm going to try to put a pre-order link in the description, or I may have a pre-order text. It'll say text the word to pre-order in the description, and you could try that. If you don't hear from me right away, then definitely just text me, and then I will get your name on the list for the pre-orders. But I will be taking pre-orders for this if you would like to pre-order. Now, if you have a consultant, obviously, definitely go to your consultant and her website if you want to just order it on the first, or I'm sure some other consultants do pre-orders also. So so just whatever your choice is, and I just wanted to let you know all that. So anyway, I'm here if you have any questions. Thank you so much for watching. I'm truly blessed and grateful that all of you here are checking into this channel. And I will be back hopefully with some more videos. So definitely angel blessings. Enjoy your day, and I will talk to you soon. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.